Here's a Bahama 52-inch ceiling fan hugger. This fan is from 1992. I believe the majority of the ceiling fans in here were these Bahama huggers, but over time they got replaced by Heritage and Walmart garbage sometime in the late 90s, early 2000s. This one is pretty rough. There's this one and one in the other room that remains. Blades are bent up. The bearings are horrible. That is all bearing play. And I'm pretty sure the capacitor is going out. I believe that these were made by SMC, which, not gonna lie, totally tracks if it was made by SMC. I'm not really an enthusiast on ceiling fans, but I don't know. It's in here. I remember this fan when I was young. My grandparents lived here for a short period of time, and I only seen the fan run once while they lived here. And it was when they were like brought us all here and showing the family, giving us like a little tour of the place, and they had all the ceiling fans running in here, and this one was running on low. The motor was a little bit loud, I remember that, but it's nowhere near as loud as it is now. Pole chain broke off, so it's a lot shorter, so put this on it. Pretty sure that's it. So here is low. Usually use this fan on medium. Because it's way quieter on medium. Here's high. Doesn't run as fast as the other one does. Doesn't wobble very much, despite the blades being pretty warped. Alrighty, thank you for watching.